Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to disassemble your DeLonghi portable air conditioner, you might be doing it for cleaning, maintenance, or fixing an internal issue, but it can feel a bit intimidating if you've never opened one before. These units are compact and have multiple panels, screws, and internal components, so taking them apart the wrong way can cause damage. Many users rush into it and get stuck midway. The good part is that if you follow the correct steps carefully and keep track of each part, you can safely open the unit and access the inside without any problems. Try these. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the air conditioner completely. Step 2. Remove the back panel screws using a screwdriver. Step 3. Gently take off the rear or side panel cover. Step 4. Disconnect and remove the air filter and accessible parts. Step 5. Carefully open additional panels to access internal components. Step 6. Keep screws organized and proceed with cleaning or repair.